Hello, welcome fellow traders. CME Futures here, presenting another how-to video. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to create a custom watch list using your TradingView mobile app. Now, custom watch list is going to allow you to add any instruments that you want within a watch list, but then you can also create alternative or a variety of different watch lists where you can easily access these different watch lists from within your watch list menu. So let's just say, for example, if you're tracking different markets or maybe different market groups, for example, currencies, metals, financial products, index products, softs, things of that nature, you can separate them out and create them as custom lists within your watch list. And we're going to go and show you how to do that. So on the bottom of the app, the first tab that you see there on the bottom left corner where it says watch list, we're going to go and click on watch list. And if you notice on the top left corner, there is a button with 3 dots and 3 lines right below the clock. So if I click on that, this is going to give me the ability to see all the additional lists that I have created within my watch list. So right now, I'm currently looking at just one single watch list, which is labeled AMP. And if I click on it, this is what the watch list, which markets are actually inserted into the AMP watch list. So if I go back to that button on the top left corner with the 3 dots and the 3 lines, you'll see on the top right corner, there's a little plus sign that I can click to create additional list. So let's just say, for example, if I type in currencies or enter currencies on the phone, create it, now you have a currencies watch list. So now at this point, all you need to do is just start adding symbols. So it would make sense to add specific currency symbols for the currency watch list. So let's just add a few in there, for example. So we'll add the euro. Well, let's just get the Canadian dollar in there as well, or the Canadian dollar. All right, let's just get one more. We'll do the British pound. All right, so you get the idea here. In this case, we're just adding specific currency contracts. And now you can see that all currency contracts have been added into my currencies watch list. All right, now what you can do, if you go back to the list, if you click on the top left corner there with the 3 lines and 3 dots, you can see now you have an AMP and currencies watch list. And I can toggle now between the different watch lists. So this is going to help you stay organized and efficient if you want to be able to separate out different market groups, or just you don't necessarily have to use the example that I just demonstrated, but that's just an easy example. Now here's another example of adding another watch list. If you click the plus sign top right corner, whoops, we're going to click into the button first top left corner to the 3 dots and 3 lines. Now we're going to click the plus sign on top right corner, and we can call this whatever, like energies, for example. If I can spell correctly. Got the fat fingers on my phone. All right, so now we're going to add energy products into our watch list. So I can hit add symbol, and now I can type in, like, so for example, CLE, VU24, which is the October contract. Oh, you know what? I'm not sure actually what contract we're trading right now for crude. Let's just add the TradingView symbol for now. I'll just keep it added as for 1, and if I click on the list, top left corner with the 3 dots and 3 lines, now you can see there's energies, there's currencies, and there's AMP as 3 different watch lists that I can toggle between. All right. Now, if you hold down your thumb on a specific watch list, you'll have the ability to rename the list. So let's just say, for example, I can rename this whatever I want. So let's just say financials. All right. Now you can see it's called financials, but we have crude in there. So if I go to financials and go back to the watch list, what we probably want to do now is we want to edit some of these symbols. So crude wouldn't make sense to be in a financials watch list, right? So what we can do now is we can swipe to the left on the symbol, and you can do a couple things here. You can create an alert if you want. You can also just delete the symbol. Now I can add the symbol, and I can add now, let's say, US. You know what? It's going to be ZB and TradingView. And now we have a 30-year Treasury bond in our financials list. Now top left corner, if we click the 3 dots again with the 3 lines, notice now it says financials. All right, so quick recap. You want to go into your watch list. Once you're in your watch list, as you can see here, let me switch to the original AMP one there. Now you want to click top left corner, the 3 dots and 3 lines, and then you'll see top right corner where it shows the plus sign. That's how you add a new watch list. And if you want to be able to delete or rename watch list, you want to make sure you hold your thumb down on the specific watch list, and you'll have this option, rename list, or you can also remove them as well. So here's me removing the financials watch list. If I go to currencies, I can also remove it as well by holding it down until you see rename list appear. The reason why rename list is only appearing is because we have the currencies watch list currently selected. How you know it's selected is highlighted blue. So if I click over to AMP and then I go back, now I can delete the currencies watch list because it's not been selected, and now you can see it's been removed. And this is how you create custom lists in your watch list using the TradingView mobile app.